my name is Deta Septiana. You can call me Deta. I'm from class MNG 22B MBI. Here we'll explain the material entitled Ownership Structure. Introduction. Definition of ownership structure. Ownership structure refers to the manner in which ownership of a company is distributed among its stakeholders, such as founders, investors, shareholders, or partners. Each defines who hold the right to the company's assets, profit, and decision-making process. The structure can vary significantly depending on the type of business entity, such as sole pro, 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 proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or limited liability companies. Ownership structure impact decision making process, profit distribution, and legal liabilities. Importance of ownership structure. The ownership structure is crucial as it determines control over the business, allocation of profit and losses, and legal responsibilities. For example, in a corporation, shareholder may exercise voting right to influence major decisions, while a sole proprietorship, the ownership has full control. Additionally, ownership structure affects a company's ability to raise capital and manage operational flexibility. Definition of ownership concentration. Ownership concentration refers to the extent to which a company's shares are held by a small number of large shareholders or widely dispersed among many smaller shareholders. It is an important component of ownership structure and plays a significant role in corporate governance by influencing decision-making process and power distribution among stakeholders. Characteristics of high ownership concentration. In cases of high ownership concentration, a few dominant shareholders hold significant control over the company's decisions. This often leads to stronger monitoring of management but may also result in discussion that prioritize in interests of majority shareholder at the expense of minority stakeholder. Examples including pay special dividend or pursuing a high-risk project that benefit controlling shareholder. Characteristic of low ownership concentration. Low ownership concentration implies the shares are widely dispersed among numerous small shareholders. In such cases, managerial control tends to increase as individual shareholders lack sufficient stake in influence decisions significantly. The model is more common in countries like the United States and the United Kingdom. Impact on corporate governance. Ownership concentration directly influences corporate governance practice, and concentration often ensures better monitoring but can lead to conflict between major and minority shareholders. Conversely, disparate ownership shifts monitoring responsibility to manager but may reduce shareholder engagement in decision-making process. Balancing ownership concentration. An optimal level of ownership concentration is essential for balancing control and profitability. Research suggests an inverted U-shaped relationship between ownership concentration and profitability, initially cresting with concentration but declining when control becomes overly concentrated or too dispersed. Conclusion: understanding ownership structure and concentration is vital for effective corporate governance and financial performance. Companies of carefully design their own ownership models to align with their strategic goals while ensuring a fair treatment of all stakeholders. Uh, Maybe that's all I can say. I'll end it here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.